Now let me look at the factors leading to the rise of the Ndebele state in Zimbabwe. Otherwise, we are addressing the question, why was it easy for the Ndebele state to develop and grow in Zimbabwe? First of all, we are looking at, let me look at Mzilikazi. He was a very tactful leader who was able to assimilate the Roji into his state peacefully. Right? He was a good leader. He had managed to save the Kumalo from Chaka's anger by leading them through a long journey until they got to Zimbabwe. The Ndebele also had a strong army, which enabled them to manage to protect the group from Guniland until they got to Zimbabwe. This army is the same army that had managed to defeat Shaka's first group. They managed to raid a lot of people along the way, and they gained a number of cattle, a number of people, and they also gained a lot of grain as they traveled. The army was also able to defend the people from enemies, leading to the creation of the Ndebele state. They had a lot of gold, which enabled them to practice both internal and external trade. They traded with the Portuguese and the Arabs, hence the prosperity of the state. The area enabled them to create a strong economy. Food was in abundance. So were all the other resources that they required for their livelihoods. As a result of these factors, they were able to stay. The other factor is that the Roji were not warlike. They were able to accept the Ndebele, though they had invaded their area. That also contributed to the growth of the Ndebele state in Zimbabwe.